So today is my first day off. I have officially, I have officially finished my first week of training at work. So that's super exciting. So Jake had work today. So I'm here with my mama. Say hi. Hi. So I am laughing at you. Because you're funny. I'm laughing with you, not at you.
That's okay if you laugh at me, I'm kind of funny.
Sometimes.
Alright.
We're making a cake. It's got that cooking. It's got 9 minutes left. And then when we went to St. George back in October, we bought me this stuff. Super cute. And we just haven't had a chance to finish it, so that's what we're doing. So fun. We made a pretty cake. I'm really proud. I frosted it and everything. It looks great. Proud of myself. Mom,
What?
what do you think of the cake?
Haven't had any yet.
Oh, how it looks.
Orange.
Did I do?
It's orange.
Did I make it look pretty?
You should put these on it.
Hey, orange is...
No!
Don't tempt me. Halloween in July here.
My spiders.
And she's making a spooky sign.
Spooky. I can't figure out how to put the O's in here.
It is Halloween in
Upside
July.
down, right side.
So guys, there are so many fires right now. Look at this. Can you tell? The sun is orange or pink even. It is so stinking cool. So cool. Now it's like red. This is way cool. Good morning, guys. Today is July 31st. Knocking everything over. But I have a meeting this morning for school. I'm gonna try to get into the college here. So crossing my fingers that it goes well. We'll see. Yeah. Guys, one of the struggles that is like constant for me is whose pants are whose. Like these pants, I have pants exactly like this, but I can't tell if these are mine or Jake's. I have no clue. We wear like the same size. So I really don't know whose pants these are. I mean, they fit me. I'm gonna wear them. But I don't know if they're mine or Jake's. So anyway. Guys, I am feeling so great. So I went to do that test and go to the college and the meeting and everything, okay? So they had me do a test. My hair is all over the place. Anyway, so they had me do a test and it was math, science, English, and reading. And I had to get a like 57% overall thing or something like that. My math score, which PS, I thought math was my worst subject. Apparently not. I got a 93% in math. I only missed 2 questions. And my closest was either English or reading, and it was a 77%. So I did the best in math. I was so confused and super surprised, actually. So yeah, I'm getting into the nursing program there, which is super exciting. I'm finally getting into what I want to do. So I'm super excited, guys, and this is gonna bring some new steps. Like, they said that I can get my BSN in 3 years. So I'm excited. I am so excited. You guys hear that thunder? There's a thunderstorm here. It's lightly raining. And, oh yeah, saw that thunder. Love it. And I am not freaked out because Jake is home. But guys, I love the smell of rain. I love thunder and lightning. Love it. See if you can hear some more thunder. It's really far away. It's still down in Pleasant Grove, which is about, I don't know, maybe 10 miles away. 10 or 15. But it's getting windy, if you can tell. Hey guys, so today is actually August 25th, so it's been a while. But so I was telling you guys the other day, a couple vlogs ago, like a month ago actually, it wasn't even the other day, but we were looking for a new car. So we found a new one, and we have to go down and get it. My car is breaking apart even more than it was before. So we've cleaned it out this morning. We're gonna go get it vacuumed, and we're gonna get it washed. We're gonna get a car wash, and then we're gonna go trade my car in and get a new one, because it's just getting bad. So let's go. Guys, we got our new car. This is it. We love it so much. Let me get out and show you the actual car. We test drove it, we loved it, so we bought it. Let me show you this thing. So it's a 2017 Ford Escape. Absolutely love it. Super pretty. Super spacious, and then these seats fold down too. And it has a little handle here for me to pull the car down. I like it a lot. So, super exciting. Hey guys, so it's Monday the 27th now. Quick shout out to Teresa, by the way. Happy birthday, girl. She turns 21 today, so I don't know if she watches my vlogs, but happy birthday. And then, yeah, so we've had our car for about 2 days now, because we got it on Saturday, so 2 days. And guys, we love it so much. So I took it to my parents' house yesterday because my dad hadn't seen it yet, because he was up at the cabin when I went and showed my mom on Saturday. And he liked it, I think. And then today we bought some milk the other day, and apparently we bought it on the 23rd and the sell by date was the 23rd, and we weren't paying attention. So We took it back to Walmart and we got another one. And like I said, today is August 27th. And they had a ton of August 23rds still back there. So we're like, what the heck? I went to work today. I finished my training on Friday, which is super exciting. And then everybody in the entire call center is training for a new queue. And so I ended up having to go back into training this week. So I mean, I've been working here for almost 2 months and I haven't really started my job yet, so yeah. No, I did not just flip off the camera. I realized it kind of looked like that. I had this one up too. I didn't flip it off, I promise. Yeah, so I'm trying to get a vlog up tonight. I don't know if I'm going to actually put this one up or if I want to add some more into it. I'm gonna put this clip in and then we'll see how much I like it and if I want to put that in or if I need to add some more. Thanks for hanging out with us, and make sure that you guys like and subscribe. I'm gonna be a lot better at posting videos now. Like, I'm finally just back in the groove of editing and posting, so I'm gonna start posting once a week at least. So be on the lookout for that. So make sure you like and subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that you guys know when we post. And yeah, we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!